Is this a joke? She doesn't need to be in there.
Sloane Mosley?
You know who I'm talking about. You think having her in the room is going to keep me from doing my job?
The relevant question is, what is she going to think about you after you eviscerate Sloane Mosley?
You accuse me of being cruel, and you orchestrate this stunt.
We had a deal. You pulled it. Put the deal back on the table. This whole thing ends now.
Harvey, what did you do?
My job.
Ms. Mosley, why did you choose this particular field?
Because I have a love of food.
Is it really a requirement of excellence in an executive that one love food?
It's not a requirement, but it's a food company, and it's what I thought made it a perfect fit.
Well, if it was such a perfect fit, why were you looking for a job in another field?
Because I spent 9 years killing myself for your client and got passed over for promotion after promotion in favor of less qualified men.
Okay, let me get this straight. So you hit a wall, you blame my client, and rather than figuring out what it takes to make it in this perfect fit, you give up and fold like a house of cards.
I don't know what law school you went to, but I was always taught that depositions require questions.
I went to Harvard. And here's your question. After all these interviews for all these jobs, why didn't you just pursue one of them and switch careers?
It would require a step backward.
Isn't it true it didn't require a step backward? But that's all you could find, because no one thought you were any good at the job you had in the first place.
You don't know that.
I have sworn testimony from a headhunter who said nobody wanted you.
Okay, you're badgering her.
The truth is, you're untalented and pathetic and blaming other people because you don't have the skills or the fortitude or anything else to make it in your chosen field. And you don't even have the courage to try something else.
I'm sorry, I just wanted to make sure that the court reporter got all that. Did you hear it down there?
We heard it.
Good. I have a few more questions.
No. This deposition is over. This is the men's room, you know that, right?
Don't do that shit again.
Excuse me?
I don't need your protection. That's what my dad does.
Rachel, the only thing your father and I have in common is that you're angry at both of us.
Well, all you did in there was embarrass me.
Embarrass you? I wasn't even watching you. I was watching our client.
You're trying to say you didn't call that off because of him.
No, I'm trying to say I didn't call it off because of you. Even though evidently you went to Harvey to ask in to make it about you.
I didn't go to Harvey, he came to me.
Look, Rachel, you might want to make this Zane versus Zane, but it's not. It's Folsom Foods versus our client. But you're so eager to prove how tough you are that you seem to have forgotten about her.